Okie doke, y'all. I'm in here in the kitchen with Nita. Nita Jones, or most people know her by Jelly Roll. She is part of our family, has been for a long, long time. And she is gonna make, we've already started fighting. We have been in this kitchen arguing. Scared to give that woman a knife. She is stubborn.
I would not cut her.
I know you wouldn't. I was kidding you. I was kidding you. Nita would make this dish for all of us workers in the morning. She'd stop by and get a can of salmon and bring it in. And Lord have mercy, I did not give it the right name. I made a mistake and called it Stewed. So I'm not going to say the word because she'll just holler. But she made this dish, and now she's saying no, she didn't. Well, she did, because many a morning I ate a bowl of grits with that salmon on top.
That's
and
right.
Talking about good, out of this world. So that's what Nita's going to make. And it may not be just like the recipe that I put in the cookbook after she taught me how to make it. And it's real simple. And you know, the good thing about salmon, canned salmon, you could use fresh, but then you're talking about expensive.
Yes, it is.
But the canned salmon makes for a very reasonable meal, doesn't it, Nita?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now Nita is starting out by...
I need a pan.
You need a pan.
For that.
You
For
need
that.
another bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that big enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So she starts off by draining her salmon.
Yeah.
Can I throw this away, or
Yes.
you gonna come back to it? Okay. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna chop up her bell pepper for her. And I've got your eye turned on over there, Nita.
Mm-hmm.
Now, are you pulling out the bones?
Mm-hmm.
I don't.
I do.
Cause you can, they're so soft.
Uh-uh.
I love the bone in it. Doesn't bother me a second. Okay, Nita is making our salmon, and I'm gonna get started on our grits.
So Nita, you're just sauteing down
Yeah.
your onions and
Bell peppers.
I got you some water if you want to add water to it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's mad with me, y'all.
No, I'm not.
She said
what's
she
your...
didn't make this, and I know she did, because I ate so many bowls of it.
What are you adding there?
This house seasoning lights.
Right.
Okay. So I could put black pepper. Put some black pepper.
There's the black pepper. Or you can use this. You can use the fresh ground. Just mash that button.
This one?
Yeah, yeah, put it over there. There you go. All right, what was I doing? Oh,
Now, what else?
I need a whisk, please. Watch your sore stomach.
I ain't got no sauce.
Do you will if this drawer hits it?
Okay.
She doesn't ever get my joke. She doesn't ever.
It's so different what I do. Different. Now, some black pepper. This black pepper?
Yeah, that's what I told you. That if you want this kind, that's fresh ground. But if you want this kind, if you want it already ground, that's the black pepper.
I'll feel a little salt.
Okay. Salt again.
I ain't put
Okay.
it in.
Okay.
Well,
there you
salt,
go.
salt is in the house seasoning already, though.
Okay.
I don't know what fool wrote that cookbook, put that recipe in there.
You?
I know I did it.
I know you did it. I just hope it be good.
Well, I served it the other night to me and Michael, and he loved it.
Yeah, I guess I'll put the water in it.
Well, you don't have to.
Yes, it is.
Okay. How's that? Was that enough water for you?
Yes, it is.
Queen chef, I seen her.
I hope it have season.
Oh,
I say I hope it be seasoned enough.
Smells good.
good, taste it.
Huh?
It smells
Stick
good.
your
It
finger on
smells
there,
good.
taste it, and see if it needs more. Say one
It
of these
ain't
little
gonna be like
spoons.
what?
Here, take one of these little spoons and taste it. And if you think it needs more,
Yes, Lord.
yes, Lord. Nita. Oh. Nita had
Needs more.
always.
Yeah.
Nita's always liked seasoning,
Well,
you know.
just go use the salt and pepper. How you normally do it.
Okay, the grits are cooking. Nita.
Huh?
Nita makes mayonnaise biscuits. That
Yes.
Jamie Deen, Lord have mercy.
Still love them.
He still asks you to make them, doesn't he?
Yeah. He asked me, "Was you making some biscuits today?" I said, "No." I said, "Ain't you gonna eat your cheese biscuit?" Talking about, well, I wanted some, but I want some mayonnaise biscuit.
And,
I said, okay.
and you don't have to put any kind of fat or anything
No.
in it because
Where's buttermilk?
there's fat in the mayonnaise.
And that buttermilk.
That looks delicious, Nita. That's just what I remember. Just what I remember.
Now come taste it.
That's it. Could stand a little bit more house seasoning.
Okay.
Try that now. Just like I remember. I didn't miss a trick in that kitchen, y'all. I can tell you that right now. Oh, that's so good. Do you want some more water?
I guess might, cause it ain't enough.
Okay. If you need some more, I know where the water spigot is.
I know you do.
You want me to cut it down some? Is
You
it
could.
okay? It's delicious, Nita. I knew you hadn't lost your touch. You might have lost your memory, but you lost your touch. Look-a-bow, look-a-bow.
Just hope they done.
They done. Ugh. Every day. Every day for 25 years.
No.
Okay. And Nita does something else that I don't do. And she washes her grits.
Yes, Lord.
I don't wash my grits.
Oh, Lord, I do.
No, Lord, I don't.
And when I'm to the job, they got the grits and swimps.
We have
So I make them wash them. I said, wash them grits. Talking about,
All right, this is for you now, so put how much you want.
I hope they done.
Okay, well, we're gonna taste it and wait just a minute, cause I'm gonna get mine too.
Okay.
We're gonna bon appetit together, okay? All right, now if I could just. I put some more. I did. I forgot to put. Here, let me get you a fork. I forgot to butter my grits.
But I had put some butter in them.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I did.
Okay, here's your eating spoon. You got a big spoon.
Eat with fork.
Oh, you have my fork.
How's that fork?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, maintenance, y'all. Another old lady to look after.
Yes. And I hope the grits are done.
Well, God knows I hope they are too. If they're not, just pretend.
Oh, we be sitting.
You ain't gonna pretend because you gonna say what's on your mind.
That's right.
Well, bon appetit. And I tell you what, this brings back so many memories
Sure do.
of us in the kitchen together.
We cooking, eating some grits.
Yes.
Salmon.
Yes. And then she started cooking salmon croquettes, so she forgot all about the stewed salmon.
Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah.
Just like I remember.
Mm-hmm.
So good. And what an economical meal.
Yeah,
You know,
I'm
what's
very.
it cost you? $3?
Yeah.
You know, to feed a family of 4 to 5 people.
That's true. We had them in a long time.
I know you hadn't. I know you hadn't.
But I be cooking them
It's
salmon croquettes of the jar. Now they eat grits and
Yeah.
beans.
Well, it's been at least 22 years since you've made stewed salmon. It's been that long. So that's, I understand why you feel
Cause them jokers know they be tearing it up. Miss Joan, could we have another one? I said, one. And that's it. I said, y'all think y'all slick. Want me to cook them, but y'all don't want to give me no money to buy them.
Welcome to my world. Y'all do have to try this because it's just a wonderful memory that I have in my head.
Yeah. Hot.
Are the ribs done enough for you?
Yeah, they're good enough.
Good enough. I love them best dishes, y'all.
Yes.
If y'all got Anita in your life, God bless you. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.